In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden quality shops on Shein using some simple steps. If you enjoy shopping online, and especially if you're a Shein enthusiast, you probably know how hit or miss finding great quality items can be. However, with a few savvy search tactics, you can easily uncover those hidden gems on the platform. Let's get started. First things first, open the Shein app on your mobile device or visit the website on your desktop. Once there, make sure to log into your account. Logging in is crucial because it will allow you to use all the features available, like saving your favorite shops and making personalized settings changes. Next, direct your attention to the search bar. This is your tool for exploring Shein's vast inventory. Here, type in keywords that will help target high quality items. Phrases like high quality, premium, linen, or specific product types you're interested in will help filter your search results. These key terms are often associated with better quality products, making it easier to find what you're really looking for. Once you've entered your search, it's time to refine the results. Look for the Sort By option. A drop-down menu will appear, providing several ways to organize the items displayed. You can sort them by options such as Recommend, Most Popular, New Arrival, or Top Rated. While each category has its own benefits, choosing top rated will often lead you to items that have been vetted by other users for their quality and satisfaction. As you browse through the selections, pay close attention to the seller or brand name associated with the products. You'll want to keep an eye out for names like Shein Premium or MOTF. These lines are part of Shein's commitment to offering higher quality clothing options. Additionally, sellers with high feedback ratings are usually a safer bet, as positive customer feedback often signals quality. Equally important is taking the time to read through the customer reviews. Focus in particular on reviews that include photos. These snapshots offer a more realistic view of the items, giving you a better idea of fabric quality, true colors, and item fit. Reviews with comprehensive feedback are gold mines for discerning the actual quality of a product. Finally, when you find a shop or brand that consistently offers the quality you're looking for, make sure to follow or favorite it. The simple action allows you to easily return to their shop in the future, giving you quick access to their newest items as they're released. Saving these shops not only makes your shopping experience more personalized, but also incredibly convenient. That wraps up our guide to uncovering hidden quality shops on Shein. By following these simple steps, you'll be better equipped to navigate Shein's vast offerings and find those high quality pieces you'll love. Thanks for tuning in and happy shopping.